This video is brought to you by videogcsc.com. Question 18. Expand and simplify 2 plus root 3 times 7 minus root 3 and give your answer in the form a plus b root 3 where a and b are integers. Okay, don't worry if you don't understand what's going on here. I'll talk you through it. Expand and simplify, basically what it's saying, expand, brackets means is used to denote multiplying, so 2 plus root 3 in brackets and 7 minus root 3 in brackets and nothing in between them means multiply all of this here by all of this here. So multiply 2 plus root 3 by 7 minus root 3. So there's a simple way to do this. We then give our answer in its simplest form. So I have 2 plus root 3 times 7, all 7 minus root 3 here. Okay, so I first, very simple way, I do 2 times 7. Then I do 2 times minus root 3. Then I do root 3 times 7. And then I do root 3 times minus root 3, and that way I will have multiplied everything in these brackets together. I will have multiplied 2 plus root 3 by all of 7 minus root 3. Okay, so let's do it. So 2 times 7, 2 times 7 is 14. So 2 times 7, so it's going to be 2 times, it's going to be minus 2 times root 3. There's no simpler way to say that, so it's simply going to be minus 2 root 3, which is a simpler way of writing 2 times root 3, plus root 3 times 7. There's no simpler way of writing that except to say 7 root 3. It's a simpler way of writing 7 times root 3. And we're going to have root 3 times minus root 3. Well, it's going to be minus root 3 times root 3. The square root of 3 times the square root of 3 equals 3. So, and that is true for all. The square root of some number times the square root of that same number will simply be that number. So the square root of 3 times the square root of 3 will simply be 3. It's a positive number times a negative number. Positive times a negative leaves a negative. So it's going to be minus 3. Minus root 3 times root 3. Simply minus 3. Okay, and they mentioned simplifying this, and I can see why, because this isn't in its simplest form. We have minus 2 root 3 plus 7 root 3. Well, minus 2 root 3 plus 7 2 root 3, that can be, oh hang on, let's look at the question, see how they asked, because they asked us to put this in a certain form. Yeah, okay, they asked us to put this in the form a plus b root 3. So actually they want us to put the numbers first. Okay, let's do the numbers first. So the numbers we have are 14 and minus 3. So 14 minus 3 leaves 11. And the next thing they want is plus b root 3. So let's see, so that's going to be minus 2 root 3 plus 7 root 3. That will simply be 7 root 3 minus 2 root 3. So that will leave us with 5 root 3. And that is what they asked us to do. They said give your answer in the form a plus b root 3 where a and b are integers. A is an integer, it's a whole number, 11, and b is an integer, it's 5. And so here we are, this is what they asked us to do, and this was worth 3 marks. And the final answer I have is 11 plus 5 root 3. Let's take a look at the mark scheme, and hopefully I did this correctly. Let's see. This is question 18. Yeah, 11 plus, here we are, question 18. 11 plus 5 root 3. Here's the working. You should have something like this. Yeah. And you get 1 mark for exactly 3 or exactly 4 terms correct, including correct signs, the signs is in plus or minus, or all 4 terms correct with wrong signs. Okay, so, and there's 1 mark depending for either collecting your 2 or 3 terms in root 3, or for writing down root 3 times root 3 equals 3. So you could still, if you didn't get this correct, get 1 mark. Yeah, so that is the correct answer, 11 plus 5 root 3. Thank you for watching this video that's available on videogcse.com.